Hello everyone again, this is IT Master. I got today Aroma Diffuser, which is very nice thing to have at your bedroom. It's making air wet, so in case you are using some heaters to heat your apartment, it's better before you go to sleep to have something this type and have a air purified and wetness. Let's open it. It came from China. Yeah. This is a light wood color. This is what we have. And this is the device itself. User manual. Power adapter, user manual, and the device itself. Okay, here we got the water tank. So this is it. Actually, I will now connect it, fill with water, and I can show you how it's working. It's cost me $20 US. Stay cool, guys. So here we are using already the air purifier and water. It has different colors. You can change the color from here. Like yellow, green, and different temperature of color. Red, violet. We can keep it on blue. And the other button is setting the 1 hour, 3 hour, 9 hours, 6 hours, and the always on. And the inside you can see the LED light, and it's already making the air wet, because in the winter period, as I said, if you get a heating on your room, it's better to have this one for your nose, for your breathness. This is it, guys. 7 LED light colors. It came from the China AliExpress, and I'm happy. Thank you. Like, please subscribe, and please help me to reach 1000 subscribers till the end of this year. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay well, stay cool.